So again, moving on to the next tutorial, we're going to double click the pages over here. So basically you're making 2 diamonds by rotating a 3x3 square. Great. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, and here's a little trick. I'm just going to click once, and I'm going to say 3 tab 3, and it's going to make a square. So now I just need to grab the rotate tool, and I can rotate. There's also these tools up here. It's going to do it clockwise, right? So it's not really what we want because we want 45 degrees. But you can see up here, right, I have some sizes I can do. So I can go and type in 45, and there's my diamond. And then I'm just going to option drag and hold shift down so it's in a straight line. Now let's say I wanted to rotate that back. You can see I can go back up to where my rotation is, hit 0, and it rotates it back. I could also change the size in the same way, right? So that does it uniformly. If I uncheck this little link, I can change one size and not the other. All right, and we'll get more into how the transform tools work and stuff like that. So that's just the basic how to make and how to move your using the rotate tool.